COVID-19 numbers dropped in Virginia today, although they're still very high.
Today, the health department reported almost 4,500 new cases. That's down from more than 8,000 on Friday. More than 1,600 people across the Commonwealth are fighting the virus in hospitals now. About 25% of them are in intensive care. Health officials expect that number to keep climbing after Christmas gatherings. We have team coverage on this. Dana Smith asked the experts what to do if you were exposed to COVID-19 over the holiday. But we start with Ann Sparacco. She talked to people in Portsmouth while they waited in long lines to get tested today.
The holiday weekend started out as a time for family to get together.
Well, last year we didn't have much of a celebration. This year we try to, get it done a little bit.
But now the holiday spirit is quickly turning into a sprint to get a COVID-19 test. People formed a long line at this pop-up clinic at Portsmouth's Fourth Baptist Church. James Mateen says he stayed with his immediate family for Christmas. Despite recently getting his booster and showing no symptoms, he says he didn't want to take the risk.
We've been vaccinated before. I just want to make sure I don't have a breakthrough case. Just to be on the safe side, because we're going into a new year and I want to make sure I'm good to go.
Virginia Department of Health Chief Deputy Commissioner Dr. Param Jabari says it's good to check for COVID-19 after gathering with family members, especially if you're not vaccinated.
Generally 5 to 7 days after that exposure is when we would recommend you get tested. Now, if you're symptomatic, all bets are off. Whether you're vaccinated, you're unvaccinated, you feel that you have COVID symptoms, you want to get tested as soon as possible.
Jabari says with the potential rise in COVID-19 cases in the next few weeks, he expects the rush for tests to continue well into the new year.
Let's keep our fingers crossed, but where we can do something about it, such as getting vaccinated, I hope our residents take advantage of that.
In Portsmouth, I'm Ann Sparacco for 13 News Now.
Remember, you can also get tested at the Military Circle Mall Clinic every Monday from 2 to 6. Dr. Jabari also says his team is working with state officials to expand testing availability in Hampton Roads.